guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this one is the February premium box. So the more spendy one. Let's get the card out first. Aw, how cute. Okay, so let's see here. No little note with it or anything like Ipsy has, so we're just gonna hop right in. The first thing in here is actually the thing I'm the most excited about. And of the 3 variants we could have gotten, I got the one that I wanted the most badly, and I swear it seems like this color is following me around more and more lately, doesn't it? So this is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette in mint. Look at it, it's so freaking cute. So this retails for $29. Although, I beg to differ because I found the other 2 elsewhere and definitely didn't pay $29 for them. No, even though these are new release. So it says, create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigment powdered palettes Man, it's a tongue twister now. Pigment powered palettes containing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high shine metallics, and next generation shimmer swirls. So let me show them to you, because oh my goodness, I'm so stupidly excited over this one, like I cannot even begin to tell you. Like, first off, the fact that it's kind of a little bit of a see-through case. I know, it doesn't really look like it on camera, but in person it is, and it's like such 90s vibes. I'm like, my childhood. So, anyway, opening it up. I'll block the mirror so I don't blind you with the light. But these are interesting shades. Very, very interesting shades. But the shimmers, I don't think it's picking up on camera. The, like, undertones of the highlights in them are not just, like, silvery. Yeah, I could tell on that viewfinder you're not getting the true colors. The shimmer off of these is like that minty teal color. So I'm like, ooh, and pretty much all of them except for that, like, shimmery tan. Now, I'm curious about the 2 swirl shades in here. What exactly those are going to end up looking like on. Because I'm sure they do not go on as swirls. They probably just blend into some kind of unique color. I'm not really sure, but I'm very intrigued nonetheless. So, I don't know, I can't wait to play with it, though. It's just, oh, they're so pretty. And that just undertone of shimmer is awesome. It's like that one from the Chiate London Trend Edit palette that I've been using lately, that it looks like pretty much like gold, maybe even a very, very light baby pink in the pan, but then you put it on and the undertone of the glitter is like red, and it's vibrant and fiery and awesome. I have a feeling these are kind of going to be like that with it. Looks like one color till the light hits it and it changes. It's like that, and I love it for it. But I totally did additionally buy the other 2, so. Anyway, they haven't come yet, but. Anywho. Next thing in here is the Kat Von D. This amuses the hell out of me. Of all the names that I would end up with this. The Go Big or Go Home mascara. How many times on this channel have I used that phrase, go big or go home, to excuse myself when, I have definitely overbought things, and I'm like, go big or go home. Yeah. And then I end up with that mascara of the same name. So this retails for $24, which, it's Kat Von D, I'm not surprised. So, this extreme volume vegan mascara is powered by plant-based fats. The long wear of mascara has a smooth texture that glides onto lashes for big blown-out volume, delivering an eye-opening effect that lasts all day without smudging. In high pigment Trooper Black. Which is good, because with mascaras, I pretty much just stick with black across the board. Maybe I'll get some colored ones, but I don't like how browns look. I just don't. So, anyway. Next in here, I want to say I might already own this. I feel like I bought this on my own as well, but this is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. If it's not this, I have something that looks a whole hell of a lot like it, but retails for $24. Get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. Do they mean in crime? I don't know. Oh, wait. I'm still waking up, guys. I need more coffee. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full-size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. Okay, so maybe I don't have this one, but it's definitely very similar packaging to whatever it is I do have. So, next up. This brand is just popping up everywhere lately. This popped up in Ipsy as well, but a different one. So this is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, which... Of course they'd send me coconut, wouldn't they? Which bums me out, because this retails for $33 freaking dollars, and I'm gonna have to probably give it away. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. Let's see, do we have ingredients? Coconut oil, castor seed oil, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, candle lila wax, wheat germ oil, kukui nut oil, rosemary leaf oil, coconut fruit extract. Fuck! Okay, that's what I was trying to find out. If it has the fruit extract, I can't use it. Yep. Yep. Dang it. Well, my mom can appreciate it anyway. That sucks. Anyway, so Boxycharm just really likes bougie micellar waters, apparently. So this one is by a brand called Rodial, and it's the Soft Focus Glow Drop. Oh wait, no, I'm reading the wrong thing. I'm sorry. This is the Odacite or Odacite? I don't know. Blue Aura Cleansing Water. Sorry, my bad. They're right next to each other on here. This retails for $39, so not as bougie as last month's, where it was like a $90 micellar water. I'm like, who the fuck is spending $90 on micellar water? To be fair, who the fuck is spending almost $40 on micellar water? A powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying Ayurvedic herbs, this cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. It's with turmeric and holy basil, which I would like to know, what is holy basil? I mean, I love basil. I would argue that they're all holy just because they're so awesome. But I mean, like, for real, what actually is holy basil? Is it blessed, or is that just like a form of basil I've not heard of? Let me know in the comments, because I'm just like, wait, what is that? I'm intrigued. And then the final thing in here. This is what I was reading before, because I'm a dummy. So this is the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. Like I said, I'm dumb. So, illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit-from-within glow with the new Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next-generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. This retails for 60 freaking bucks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's bougie, alright. So, anyways, yeah, that's what I got this month from my Boxycharm, I almost said Ipsy, Boxycharm Premium, so pretty good stuff. I mean, bummer on the one lip balm that I won't be able to use. I mean, we all know damn well I'm probably going to try it once anyway just to do a review out of it, but then I'll probably give it away just because I don't want it to go to waste just because I'm allergic, so anyway. At least the coconut fruit extract is further down the ingredients list, so maybe it's a low enough amount to where it won't fuck with me, but I suppose we'll find out whenever I get to it. But anywho, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.